Suppose if you want to create a directory, in Linux we call, in Windows we call folder, in Linux we call directory. If you want to create a directory, command that we use, that is mkdir. Only one command to create directory, mkdir. Mkdir, you can give any directory one. Suppose if you want to create multiple directories, like directory 2, directory 3, like you can give. It's like touch command, touch file 1, file 2, file 3, like mkdir directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. So when you create a directory by using mkdir, you won't go inside the directory by default. Later on you should go. Okay, let me show you. Mkdir directory 1, enter, do ls, you can see I have created one directory. So total one directory is there, 4 files are there. Okay, that is how we can do it. Now, how can we differentiate which one is file, which one is directory? Just because it is having the name directory 1, that side is directory? No. Suppose if I give mkdir file 5, it won't become a file, it's a directory, because see, I'm using mkdir command to create directory. Directory name I'm giving as file 5. So how can we differentiate whether it's a file or directory? Not by using color. No, that's not the way. If you want to differentiate, ls-l. See guys, ls is the main command to see the list. You can add -l, means long list. So you can add a, means all. So what you are adding to main command, these we call flags. Main command, just adding some extra functionality, those we call flags. Unless I want to see the list, but what is a long list? That means I want to see all details. In Windows, suppose, right click, go to properties. What you can see here, you can see security, general, all details, right? So if you want to see those kind of details here, then ls space -l, long list. Now enter. It shows complete all details. Like you can see directory 1, file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, the size, who created, everything. So many things are there. But as of now, you need not worry about all these things. As of now, you need to worry about only the first column. For directories, it shows D. For files, it shows hyphen. Directory D, file hyphen. So that's the only way by using which we can differentiate whether it is a file or directory. These are only way. Okay, D means directory, hyphen means file. These are authenticated way. Okay, that's how we can do it. Now we can clear the screen. See, Control L. Now if you do ls, you can see list of files and directories that you can see. If you want to see long list, ls space -l. Okay, that is how you can do it. Now coming to hidden files. See guys, in Windows, there could be many hidden files. In Windows, let me show you. Hidden files in the sense, let me go to C drive. Right now in my C drive, there are some hidden files that you can't see. But if you want to see, what you need to do, go to view. Here you can see hidden files, click this. When you click that, yes, now you can see these are hidden things. Hidden directories, you can see some hidden files are there. But I don't want to see them. What you do, just uncheck. Then you can't see again. So why we are creating hidden files? So that you should not delete them by mistake. It is not for security purpose, guys. No, you should not delete them by mistake, because generally we have a habit of doing Control E and Shift delete. When you do Control A, Shift delete, everything will be deleted, right? You can't even recover them back. So by mistake, you should not delete those files. If you have such kind of important files, then we create hidden files. If you want to create any hidden file, very, very easy, guys, simple. Just before the file name, you give dot. Just one dot. One dot. That is enough. In fact, in front of directory also just give one dot. If you give name with the dot, that will become hidden thing. Let me show you. Okay. I want to create one file. Touch dot file. You can see dot file. ls, can you see that file? No, because that's a hidden file. mkdir dot directory 2. Enter. Do ls. Can you see the directory? No, those are hidden things. But I want to see hidden things also. Then we do ls space -a. A means all. All means including hidden things. See ls-a. You can see in my current directory, so many hidden things are there. You can see this one, this one, this one, this one. You can see. Like ls space -a, we used to see hidden things. Okay. You can combine these two guys. See ls-l to see the long list, ls-a to see all hidden things. So ls-la or al, then it will show long list including hidden things, both. Okay, see ls-either la or al, that is up to you. Enter. See, it is showing all the details, hidden things, and also all details. You can see the directory, these are files, directory. See all hidden things also. That is okay. So all these things we can. The ls command we use a lot, guys. Okay. Then come to the next one. If you want to create multiple directories, then command we use cd. Sorry, the command we are using mkdir. Mkdir, suppose if I give directory A, directory B, directory C, then these directories will be created side by side like this. But what I want these directories should be created one inside another one. Like something like this, directory A. Inside directory A, I want to create directory B. Inside B, I want to create directory C. So I want directory should be created one inside another one. For that case, you have to give a command mkdir -p, then directory A slash directory B slash directory C. Okay. P means parent. Each directory will be created in its parent. This one will be created in its parent, like this. Directory A inside directory B inside directory C. So P is mandatory, parent. Okay. Let me show you. mkdir -p directory A slash directory B slash directory C. Like, okay. Inside directory D also, that's up to you. That's it. Now if you do ls, you can see only external directory, outside directory only. See directory A only. Where is directory B, C, D? Those are inside directory A. We have B, C, D. Correct? Okay, now I want to go inside directory A. To go inside any directory, we use a command called cd, means change directory. See here, cd. cd directory A. Enter. Where I am now? See here. Now I am inside directory A. Correct? That's addition directory. Now if you do ls list, then you can see directory B. So inside directory B, we have directory C. So go inside directory B, cd directory B. Now do ls, you can see directory C. Go inside directory C, cd directory C. Do ls, you can see directory D. Inside directory D, we don't have anything. See, cd directory D. Do ls, do you have anything? No, that's an empty directory. So if you want to go inside any directory, cd the directory name. If you want to come back, cd double dot. Single dot represents current directory, double dot represents previous directory. Okay. See here, if you want to come back, cd, one dot means current directory, one more dot, previous directory. Enter. Where are you now? Directory C. Again, one more step, cd, double dot, one more step. One more step again, cd, double dot. You are inside directory A. Again, one more step. You are into the current location, where from where exactly you started. If you do ls, here you can see all your things. So if you want to go inside any directory, we give say cd directory name. If you want to come back, cd double dot. That is how generally we do it. But see, I don't want to go one step. I want to go multiple steps in one go. Simple. cd directory A / directory B / directory C / directory D. If you go like this, directly will jump into directory D. Let me show you. cd directory A / directory B / directory C / directory D. Now enter. See, directly you entered into directory D. Again, I want to come back. Multiple steps. Simple. cd double dot means one step back. One more. One more. One more. Like that. Simple. cd double dot means directory C / one more double dot. Directory B / one more double dot. Directory A / one more double dot means your current directory. You can see you are back to your current directory. That is how actually it works. So to go inside one directory, cd directory name. To come back, cd double dot. That to multiple like this. That is how you can do it. Okay. Now you might be thinking, sometimes we go into multiple directories. Suppose say cd directory A, directory B, directory C. Like sometimes we go into multiple directories. But if you want to see, I know that I created directory A, B, C, and all. That's why I know that beside, inside C is inside B, B is inside A, and all. But if I show this one to you, you won't come to know, right? At any point of time, if you want to know your address at any point of time, then we use a command called pwd. pwd. Either you can call print working directory or you can call present working directory. You can use any of these words. Now enter. You can see it shows your present working directory, or you can call print working directory. It prints your current working directory. That means see, it is showing that you are inside directory C. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You are inside directory C. That is inside directory B. That is inside directory A. That is in some other location. I'll tell you what is this one. So at any point of time, if you want to see where are you, so we use pwd, then we can come to know. Now I know that yes, I'm inside directory C. That is inside B. That is inside A. So if you want to go back, cd double dot / double dot. Enter. One more cd double dot. You are into your current directory. Now if you type pwd, what is showing here? /root. That means you know that if you log in as a root user, you'll be under root directory. Correct? I logged in as a root user. That's why I see I'm under top level root directory. I'm inside root directory. Okay. So that is a symbol for this tilde symbol we call. Tilde means home directory. Home directory. I logged in as a root user. So root user's home directory is /root. Okay. So this represents home directory. So root user's home directory is this one only, right? That's it. Okay. That is how actually it works. Okay. Now, we'll tell you all commands. Will tell you all commands. Okay. Now, suppose if you want to go one more step back, cd double dot. One more step. You can see. Where are you now? Earlier you are under this one. Now you went one more step. That means you are under root, top level root directory. Correct? You are under this location. Now here you can see all different folders. Correct? Okay, cd double dot here. I am under top level root directory. Now if you do ls, you can see that bin directory, dev, etc, lib, these are the different directories where usr we discussed, right? These are some directories. That is how it works. Okay. Now if you want to know where are you, pwd, it is showing that you are under top level root directory. Okay. Let you be anywhere. Let you be anywhere. Just type cd. You be anywhere, guys. Anywhere. You type cd, enter. Straight away it will bring you back to your home directory. Because see, guys, home is something different that we can't forget. Correct? Even sometimes we think of something else, but blindly we come to our home. Correct? Every day to come to your home, do you remember all routes and all? No, right? You might be thinking something else, but straight away, unknowingly, automatically you'll come to your house. Correct? That is so. So home is something different. That's why you type cd. That's it. When you type cd, let you be anywhere. Straight away it will bring you back to your home directory. Now you can see pwd. I am under /root. Okay, that means so far what is happening here, under top level root directory, we have root directory, and inside you are creating all these directories. You can see what you are creating, this directory 1, directory A, inside directory you have created directory B, inside C, inside D. Then we have file 1, then file 2, file 3, file 4. So this is the structure right now you have. So this is what you created so far. Got it? Slowly, now you are understanding what is happening. Got it? Okay. Now come into next one. See here we can use some commands like copy, paste, all a number of things that we can do. Let me clear the screen. Clearing screen, it doesn't mean that you are deleting all those things. No, if you do ls, you can see all those things are there. If you scroll down by placing your 2 fingers on touchpad, you can see all that you can see. Clearing, it doesn't mean that you are deleting. Okay. Yeah. Now observe carefully. Here there is one useful command that we use a lot, that is tree. So when you type tree, it will show everything in a tree structure. Because see, I know that inside A directory B, but how do you know that inside A directory B? You don't know, right? If I show this one to you suddenly, you can't verify, correct? For that, you need to go inside directory A, then do ls, then only you can see. But instead of that big procedure, if you type tree, it will show everything in a tree structure. But when you press tree, it will throw an error, something like this. Why? Because in order to use tree command, you have to install the tree package first, tree package. So how to install any package? You may install tree -5. Don't worry, just as of now you install this one. Later on I will talk about yum commands later on. Okay, yum install tree -5. So when you install the package, then you can use that respective command. Right, install. Now clear the screen. Okay, now type tree. See here, it shows everything in a tree structure. Okay, from your current directory. Dot represents your current directory. What is your current directory? This is your current directory, or you can call your home directory. Your home directory, that is where you are right now. That's why you can call current directory also. So dot represents current directory. Okay. So in this directory, we have directory 1, file, all these things. Directory A, inside A we have directory B, inside B directory C, inside directory. You can see it is showing clear structure, right? Yeah, that's why we use this command a lot. Okay, this tree structure we use a lot. Okay. Now let's talk about copy commands. Okay. In Windows, if you want to copy something, what do you do? Control C, Control V. For that, like that we use, right? Here also, if you want to use copy command, simple CP, source and destination. Suppose I want to copy file 4 to directory 1, then CP file 4 CP source and destination. So this will be copied to this location. Okay, so this will be copied to this. Simple. Further, see here, I'll show you. CP means copy. What is source? file 4. What is destination? Directory 1. Now press enter. That's it. We have copied. Now how to verify whether we copied or not? Just type tree. You can see it is showing that says I under directory 1. Just now you copied one file, that is file 4. Correct or not? Instead of going inside directory 1 by using cd, directory 1, do ls and all, we can use tree command a lot. This is very, very useful command. That's how we can copy. Suppose if you want to copy directory inside some other directory, like cp. If you want to copy directory, then we have to use -r, recursive. R means recursive. For example, I would like to copy directory 1 into directory A. Then cp-r, directory 1, directory A. So what is this R? R means recursive. Recursive in the sense, see here, by default directory cannot be empty. By default. As of now in directory 1 already we have file is there. Recursive means this applicable to internal sub components also. Not only external directory, apart from the internal components also will be copied. That's what recursive. Recursive. Even though right now we have file is there, even though file is not there, still we have to give -r because by default directory cannot be empty. Inside every directory there will be some hidden things are there. That's a default behavior. So if you want to copy directory inside other directory, cp-r, recursive. So source and destination, directory 1, directory A. If you like this whole thing will be copied here. Now press enter. That's it. Now type tree. You can see inside directory A, you can see directory 1. Inside we have file 4. Okay. So that is how we can copy the things. CP, source and destination. Okay. Same thing, we can use cut and paste. Okay, that's also we can call move. Cut. See here, copy paste is different, cut and paste different. You know, right, in Windows cut and paste? Control X, like moving completely. So in Linux, if you want to cut and paste, okay, then we use mv command. Move. Move same source and destination. Now no need -r, nothing, just directly source and destination. Suppose I want to move file 3 into directory 1. I want to move completely. Then mv file 3 and directory 1. So when you press enter, then you can't see that file here anymore because you are moving right file completely. So that's why you can't see. See here, do ls. Do you find file 3? No, where is file 3? That is inside directory 1. How to verify? Type 3. You can see in directory 1, we have file 3. Just now we moved, means cut and paste. That is. Okay. Even directory inside another directory also. Same, like, mkdir. I'm creating one directory called directory X. Just I'm creating. Okay. Now type 3. Okay. I would like to move directory X into directory 1. Simple. mv directory X into directory 1. Simple. Directory X. That's it. That will be moved. Do ls. You can't see directory X. Where is directory X? It is inside directory 1. How to verify? Type 3. Inside directory 1, just now we move directory X. So this is how we use mv command move. Okay. Now coming to renaming. We can use rename also. Rename also we can. Like you want to see here. For renaming also we use mv command only. For moving also mv command. For renaming also mv command. Then what is the difference? When to use what? See here, simple difference. Move mv. This is rename. See, when we use when source and destination both are there, in this case, let me show you. See, file 2, directory 1. So here file 2 is there, directory 1 also is there. When source and destination both are there, this will be moved. Suppose only source is there, destination is not there. Destination I'm giving as file 200. Then this will be renamed. Okay. So when source and destination both are there, this will be moved. When destination is not there, actually, then whatever name you give, with that, this will be renamed. So when you give like this, MV file 2, file 200, this file 2 will be renamed as file 200. So when source and destination is there, source will go inside destination. When destination is not there, this will be renamed. Simple. Let me show. MV file 2. I'm going to rename as my file 200. Do you have destination here? Anywhere? No, right? So it will be renamed. Do ls. You can see. Earlier file 2 was there. Now in place of file 2, we have my file 200. That is how we can rename. Okay. So for moving and renaming, we use the same command. Just remember that one. In fact, for directories also. Okay, directory also. Just we can give like this. Just give. So destination should not be there. So whatever name you give, that will be with that name it will be renamed. Now, if you want to delete. See, to delete file we have one command. To delete directory we have one command. To delete file with permission, one command. To delete directory having sub-components, we have one command. Like we have many commands on that. But instead of remembering all commands, let me give one simple command. You just remember that command. You can do everything. That is rm space -rf. That's it. Rm to remove. R means recursive. Recursive means if at all it's a directory having sub-components also will be deleted. F means forcefully, means while deleting it won't ask permission that hey Sai, are you sure you want to delete or not? These kind of permissions it won't ask. Straight away it will be everything will be deleted. So rm space -rf. You give file, directory, having sub-components, whatever. Okay. Suppose here I would like to delete. Okay, let me create directory mkdir directory y. I would like to delete directory y. rm-rf directory y. That's it. Do ls. We don't have directory y. rm-rf. I would like to delete my file 200. That's it. Do ls. You can see like that. Simple number. rm-rf. This command will delete everything. Okay. So these are some basic commands. You must know these commands. Don't worry, at this stage, even if you have any confusion, anything, we are going to use these commands again and again. So you need not worry at this stage. At this stage, if you are feeling any uncomfortness, don't worry guys. This will be there for just 1 or 2 days. That's it. Okay, after that, trust me, you can play with these Linux commands. See, you don't know how to drive a bike. So when I give bike for the first time or cycle, it takes time for 1 or 2 days to maintain the balance and controlling. You fell down many times, again you wake up, again fell down again. The hard time will be there, but just for 2 to 3 days. Once you know the control, then you can enjoy the ride. Correct or not? Right? Here also, this uncomfortness will be there just for 2 to 3 days max. After that, automatically will come to know, hey, what is happening, or which one I have to type, and all. So this will be there just 2 to 3 days. At this stage, don't lose the hope. Even if you are not understanding anything, don't worry, no problem at all, because we use these commands again and again. In our DevOps, entire DevOps, we are going to use repeatedly. So don't worry at this stage. Just practice these commands. These are very basic commands. Even if you get any doubt, you can search in Google. In Google, you will get, these are pretty old commands. You'll get, okay. So what I do after every class, I'll be sharing, history. See here, history. Okay, history is also one command. So when I press history, whatever commands I executed so far, it will show all commands. So after every class, I'll be sharing this one so that you can see spaces, colon, slashes, and all. That's all. So if you are getting any error, that's okay. It's good to get some errors. You should get. Okay. So don't worry if you are getting errors. Feel happy that you are getting errors, because from that only we learn right things. Correct. So that's it. So practice these commands, guys. Only my session TV is spaces, colon, slashes, and where you are running that command. These are important. So if you are getting any error somewhere, you are doing some mistake. Okay. So just practice all these commands. If you get any doubt and all, by having simple Google search, you'll get, because these are pretty old commands and very, very basic commands. And trust me, if you go through my video, then you won't get any errors, but you should go properly. Okay. So practice these commands. Tomorrow we'll add some more commands and all. Like this, we'll discuss all Linux commands. Once you're good with Linux, then we'll jump into DevOps. Okay, again saying, don't lose the hope. Just practice. Okay, practice makes man perfect. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for today.